He just different, bro. He just different. And then you guys are gonna see why I went to him and actually begged him to send me some music. All right. So this is the Real Gatsby, an amazing artist. Someone who actually Sunday I was riding to all day. And one of his songs was just on repeat because it was so fire. All right. Again, this is the Real Gatsby. And this song is called For the Record, produced by The Plane. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not good with names, so let's go ahead and listen to this one.
There's no use denying a man can help but you. There's no use
is a dysfunction that fucks with kids, get stuck with it. Thank God mama's tough as shit. You gotta be when you're doing different substances. Hey, they got beef, I got cattle prods. Long speech out this Babylon, I'm adding on. Get high like Aladdin did, fly by like a dragon, yeah. And I breathe fire like a pepper. Climbing over mountains, man, my mama made a stepper. Diamonds on my crown, got rubies on a scepter. Pens down, chest out, who be really next up? Current kings, I'ma turn them into jesters. Get mad, but I stay quiet like Tesla. Pen pad like an airway. I vent some 25 lighters on my dresser, yes sir. Going on for a while, I've been separating what was real from the piles of shit. Demonstrating how
just different. He just different, bro. He just different.
How to deal with the violence and applying intent. Liable to flow a mile a minute. Still a cyber psyche with an infinite essence.
And all his joints bang in the car with a good stuff. Bang.
Different intentions. I'm down with ascension and out of the fences. I hope you found this effective. Profound and impressive. Hey, you can see me on the rise. I see angels all the time. I'm behaving like a fly. I'm just playing in the sky. Tripping out to take a ride.
So different, like the beat different. I don't know what to call the background stuff or whatever. That is different. Like it's just different. Like it's just so it's a vibe. Like dang. Just a vibe, bro. Just a vibe. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is gonna be What's Inside, produced by Kristen John and 63. I don't know what that means, but yeah, let's go ahead and listen to that. Again, this is the Real Gatsby. Now here's the thing. He's getting horrible plays, but his music is so dope. I promise you guys, his music is dope as hell. Like I spent the entire day with a song on repeat, and I'm gonna show you the song right after we got one more to do after this one, and then no, actually it's two songs, so I'll react to this one and I'll show you the two songs I had on repeat the other day.
Christian, 6'3".
That's why I'm up at night, on the grind, crunching lines, doing something right. Finding time to surmise and define a light while I try to remind you all of what's deep inside. Yeah, that's why I'm up at night, on the grind, crunching lines, doing something right. Finding time to surmise and define a light while I try to remind you all of what's deep inside. What's in me? Bottle anger and a blunted green. What's in me? I got some demons that won't seem to leave. Fucks with me. Got me scheming how to fly away, lie away, but I'm
Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying that he ain't different. That he ain't a dope ass artist. Please tell me I'm lying.
Dreaming of a brighter day. The elevation now the mad growing frozen. People talk a lot of smack but don't go there. I seen killers in the street with the means to relieve you of your life, making sure you go nowhere. Yeah. maybe in a casket. Take a moment to realize that no one's laughing. You won't know what happened by the end of the event. You're subtracted and absent, such a tragic attraction. You know Gatsby go batshit for all the pain and the bad shit, for all the kids who don't have shit. I found myself in that basket until I found something magic. Perhaps the magic found me, surpassing boundaries and leap, forging a new path, cul-de-sacs surrounding the beat. Yeah, that's why I'm up at night on the grind, crushing lines, doing something right, finding time to surmise and define a life while I try to remind you all of what's deep inside. Yeah, that's why I'm up at night on the grind, crunching lines, doing something right, finding time to surmise and define a life while I write to remind you all of what's deep inside. What's inside? Higher mountains continue to climb in the sky, reaching up where the venue is prime. From a place of grace, I can send you rhymes, getting through the bitter times in my mind, clearing room so you can get in mine. Yeah, that's why I'm up at night on the grind, crunching lines, doing something right, finding time to surmise and define a life while I try to remind you of what's inside. Yeah, that's why I'm up at night on the grind, crunching lines, doing something right, finding time to surmise and define a life while I try to remind you of what's inside.
Tell me that don't go hard. Tell me that don't go stupid hard. All right, so the other two songs was Mr. Absolute and Ego for the other ones that I was listening to. So let's go ahead and check out Mr. Absolute. And I want you guys to really listen to this one, okay? This one was dope as hell. And Mr. Ego in the way was dope as hell too. So here we go.
It's time to wake up, wake up, wake up. Hurry, hurry, hurry. We don't have much time. You have to wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. In hindsight, it's a life I chose. And I ain't slipping. Leave a stain like paint dripping. I'ma lead a game when the game's different. You can stay safe. I'ma stay with it. Been a long road with a dark
Bars, like bars.
passes. Real dogs only bark last. I'ma bite first with a vice grip. Put my money where my life is. In the pro league where I blow trees. OGs in the cold streets. I know them and they know me. And I owe them what they owe me. I hold peace while these flows lead. No need for the goatee. What I say shines like a chrome piece. I'ma take time and it's on me. Lay the base like concrete. These cats struggle staying on me.
They have way more than some 38 plays because I played it probably 38 times myself that one day.
I stash raps in a backpack like a pack rat, and it's all heat. I stay true to my own self. Pay dues when I owe well. Make moves in the cold hell, and it may hurt, but I won't tell. In hindsight, it's a life I chose.
I wish I could get a lyrical, some lyrics of the hook. That would be amazing. I kind of know what it says, but there's kind of some other stuff that's kind of I'm missing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's dope as shit.
I keep knocking, but your heart's still closed. A footstep where I could rest. Mr. Absolute never could guess.
So dope. And that was produced by Bleach. So again, that's a Real Gatsby. My Absolute, produced by Bleach. Now let's go ahead and check out Egos. Egos in the Way, produced by Wave to Ocean. Okay. Again, Real Gatsby. Dude, I love his music, bro. Like, I really, really love it. So I hit him up on Instagram and was like, yo, I don't care if you don't have a Discord, send me something. You know what I'm saying? and he obliged and was very thankful that I wanted to react to it. Very humble guy, very soft-spoken, cool, chill dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, and listen, yo, Gatsby, I want anything that you produce, send it to me, bro. Anything that you put out, send it to me. I want to react to it, and I want to add it to my playlist. All these are definitely going on my playlist, dude. Like, it's just, I don't know, like, I like this type of music, you know what I mean? Like, it's just dope, you know? So, but yeah, let's go ahead and check this one out.
She said your ears in the way, babe. You think so highly of yourself, but I'm not a fan. We're on the same page as everybody else. See, I grew up in a strange place, single child in a trap. I was taught to kill and destroy things. I got it so
That's an easy beat that will carry a lot of artists, but he's actually carrying the beat because it's such a deep bass beat, man, he's really like all his stuff, he carries the beats, and that's what I like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like the beat to actually make the song, you know what I mean? But this right here, man, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, green light, I can tell it's a race. Long night, it's a hell of a day. Strong mind in my head, you can't break. If you're not a G, there's no hands you can shake. Time is money and there's none I can waste. Came from the gutter, headed to space. Game like an oven, turn up the flame. I make it raw, you like to bake. Ramsey in the kitchen, elite, my passion is a mission. See me like Navi in your vision. My name is Jay, so that's sufficient. Take hold like Avatar, say so channel like Panama. Pull rhymes and lines like puppet strings. Trying to find truth that there's such a thing, so I'm fucking singing. I'm an artist, was a novice, now hypnotic. I think I got it. Used to clown me, now surround me. How'd you plot it? I think he thought it. I pinky promise. I'll cut that bitch off. I swear on my mama. I'm not finna fall up a minute. My verses are far from the finish. I'm pushing the limit. Yeah, I'ma just take this to Guinness and show him I'm in it to win it. In minutes to business. I did it with diligence. Stuck on the island like Gilligan. One in a billion. Something I'm feeling, yeah. I be no killer, yeah. But I be killing it. You know I'm killing it. No guilt felt when your mind's melt. Build hell for your mind's hell. Did different and time tells. Break through the walls myself. Push through it all I will. Look for the green light still. Reach for the things time steals. Believe me, saying time heals.
Dang. All his information will be in the description of this video when I drop it on YouTube. You guys go check it out. Make sure you guys follow him on social media networks. Run his plays up, bro. If you vibe with his music, run his plays up. I vibe with his music. Might not be it for everybody, but I really fuck with his music. You know what I'm saying?